Hello everybody, I'm excited. We're here in Joshua Tree, excited to show you this kind of funky but uncommon cactus. Let me get closer. They look like these dead piles of spines just laying on the ground. These are called horse cripplers. Horse crippler cactus, Grusonia. I don't know the second part, but the first part's Grusonia. Let me get you a close-up view of those spines. They're really wicked spines. So this plant's related to the Chollas. So it's kind of related to the cylindropunchias and the opunchias, close related, but slightly different group. But it's currently in Grusonia. There's a fruit there. Let me get over to the fruit so you can see it. And these are kind of cool because they have nice large yellow flowers in the early summerish, late springtime. Big and yellow. Uncommon plant, likes open, well-drained, rocky areas. We're here in beautiful Joshua Tree, and we're in a Joshua Tree woodland here. Nearby plants are cheeseweed and yucca shadigera. So again, Grusonia, very uncommon. Wouldn't recommend this in a landscape. A little bit too spiny and dangerous. Plus, it like a jumping cholla that kind of sticks to you. These also have little spiny joints that roll around. But it's a very unusual plant. Very neat. You don't see it too often. So again, this is the horse crippler cholla, Grusonia. And in the description, I'll put the species name.